Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Stuck between the Baratza Sette 270 and the ultimate home coffee roasting starter kit? This isn't just about grinding. It's about your entire coffee journey.
The Baratza Sette 270 looks like a serious piece of kit, compact and focused. But what does it do that justifies the hype?
Oh, it's all about precision. Imagine dialing in the asterisk exact grind size for the perfect espresso every single time. It's a coffee geek's dream.
The roasting starter kit is a whole different beast. It's massive, but it includes a roaster, cooler, and grinder. Is it trying to do too much?
Exactly. Let's dive a little deeper. The Sette 270 boasts 270 grind settings. That's insane control. It means you can fine-tune your grind for any brewing method, from espresso to pour-over. Imagine the flavor possibilities.
But the starter kit includes green beans. That's roasting and grinding, so you control the entire process. Does that mean more freshness and flavor compared to just grinding?
True, but the Sette 270 grinds fast, up to 5 grams per second. That's crucial when you're rushing in the morning. Less time grinding, more time drinking.
Here's where it gets tricky. The overall experience. The starter kit provides the whole experience, but is it overwhelming? Does it do everything well, or just a few things adequately?
The Sette 270 is just a grinder, but it's designed to be the same grinder it can be. Maybe that's the better approach? So the question is, are you looking for a complete coffee experience or ultimate grinding, trite precision?
If you crave total control from bean to cup and enjoy experimenting with roasting, the roasting starter kit is your playground.
But if you're serious about espresso and want a grinder that can deliver the perfect grind every time, the Baratza Sette 270 is the clear choice.
Both are solid options. It depends on your coffee personality. Now go and brew something amazing.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.